The best Shopify apps for reviews. How to add reviews to your Shopify store. Hey guys, welcome back. Before you can get started with building your brand on Shopify, it's a very essential capability that your Shopify store has the ability for customers to write reviews. This helps in establishing trust between customers and potential customers that are looking to see whether or not this product is a good product. And adding reviews, having a review widget that has capabilities for customers to be able to insert images and videos are going to be features that are very necessary in today's time. So I'm going to be adding a sample product like this, and then I'll just add a quantity and then a price. Click on save over here. And now I'm going to show you guys how you can use review applications and which are the review applications that you should be using in your Shopify store. Now, to get started, click on apps over here. Once you click on apps on the left, click on all recommended apps and then click on Shopify App Store at the bottom. Once you do that, this will open up the Shopify App Store and then you can just search for product reviews. Now, once you search for product reviews, you're going to find a bunch of different applications. All of these applications are great, but I have my top picks for you guys. Now, in my top picks, that includes the Great Review app, Yotpo, Judge Me, Loox, Stamped.io, and Review. So you guys will see these are honestly some of the top applications. Loox, Judge Me, Trust Reviews, these are built specifically, and Review as well, are built specifically for Shopify. This is why I find them to be really easy to integrate and are amazing applications to use. Now, one thing to note is that for your particular needs, you might prefer one application over the other. So I'll show you guys a couple of examples of their pricing and features, and then I'll show you guys how to install one or two of these into your store. Now, to get started, I will have my topics. We have Review. Review has a free plan, which includes a review widget, Google rich snippets and SEO, importing reviews from AliExpress, as well as 50 products and 20 reviews for each product. So they have a limitation on the number of reviews that you can have, which basically means 20 multiplied by 50. That is a lot of reviews. Usually you're not going to need more than that, but that is a cap on the number of reviews one product can have and a cap on the number of products you have. If you have an inventory of larger than 50 products, you're not going to be able to add reviews for all of them. So keep that in mind. If you're going to be using Review, you can always upgrade to a paid plan to use it in its fullest capabilities. Now, moving on to our next review application, we have Trust Reviews. Trust Reviews also has a 14-day free trial of their premium plans, as well as a free review widget, photo reviews, up to 10 processed orders that can get started with review emails, review import, as well as a dedicated review page on the store. They allow you to create as many reviews as you want. A lot of people confuse this with reviews. No, this actually means how many emails can you send out to your customers directly from their application to the customers to ask them whether or not they would like to review the product. Moving on to the next tool, we have Loox Product Reviews. Loox allows you to send out 100 monthly emails. It has over 10 different types of widgets, a review importer, SEO optimization, and you can add up to 500 order-based reviews. Now, you can also offer discounts for photo reviews on their beginner plan. Keep in mind that Loox only has a free trial, not a free plan. You can use Loox for 14 days for free, and then you have to pay afterwards for Loox reviews. And then my personal favorite application, which is Judge Me Product Reviews. Judge Me Product Reviews is honestly one of the most widely used applications in Shopify, and that is for a very good reason. It's because Judge Me is really easy to use, beginner friendly, and offers you all of the features that you would require. You have unlimited photo reviews and videos, unlimited review requests, carousel themes, in-email reviews, curated reviews. You have shop, syndication, SEO snippets, manual, and social push. So basically, Judge Me has all of the features that you would need as a beginner. And I would say that Judge Me is personally my favorite pick, but all of these are amazing and it might work differently for you depending on the industry or niche that you are in. You also have things like Yotpo, which has automatic review requests whenever customers place an order and their order is fulfilled. You have designing emails from templates, review moderation, displaying reviews on site, as well as over 50 emails that you can send out. So I'll go ahead and install Judge Me into my Shopify store to show you guys how you can start adding reviews to your Shopify store. So just click on install over here. Once you click on install once more. And once you do that, you will be led to the installation. So once your installation is complete, you're going to find the app in the left panel. It has a onboarding, and I'm going to pin this to my navigation. Once you do that, you are going to choose where you would like to install this review application. So I would like to install it directly into my current theme, and then I'll just click on Start Setup. Once you do that, you're going to get started with enabling the app embed. So click on this button. Now Judge Me has made it super easy to enable this. Just click on this and it will open up the Shopify store editor. On the top left, you will have the Judge Me application and the app embeds, and this will be turned on, and you just have to click on Save. Then click on Next Step over here and click on Install Review Widget. And then once you do that, you will see the same thing on the top left. So you will see that the review widget has now been inserted into our product template. Once we've done that, just click on Save and then click on Next Step over here, and you can install the star ratings. So just click on that and the star ratings will be installed into the product template page. You can customize all of this later as well. So our star ratings have been inserted, but they get inserted at the bottom of the product info, so right below the share button, and you're going to hold it from the left panel over here. Once you hold it from the left panel, move it up to the text section. And once you move it below the title of the product, so usually I like to place it somewhere under the price or under the title of my product, because I just feel like the star review widget needs to be up at the top of the product page so people can easily get an estimation of whether or not this product was liked by other reviewers. Click on Save on the top right and go back into your installation page. Click on Finish over here and your product review widget will now be installed. Once you've done that, you can go on ahead and take a look at your insight. And to get started with customization of your widget, click on Widgets on the left. Once you click on Widgets on the left, you will see all of the review widgets that are available to you, and you can insert any of these. So you have a floating reviews tab, a all reviews page, a review carousel that can help you in inserting your reviews into your homepage as well. Now, I want to customize the review widget that is present in my product page, so I'll just click on Manage over here. Once I click on Manage, there are certain things you can't change on the free version, such as the widget theme, but you can change the colors of your theme. So I will go with a deep pink color over here, like this. Now, once I've chosen my color, I have the custom star color, and I want to customize that as well. I'll go with a yellow color for that, like this. No, this is a bit too green, like this. Once I've done that, I can scroll to the bottom, and then you have media uploading options. So if reviewers can upload photos as well as videos, so I want them to be able to upload videos as well. Then you can also show recent photos and videos in a grid, but I don't like the media grid, so I'm not going to include that. Then below that, you have your Judge Me medals that you can display, but I'm not going to display any Judge Me medals. And then you have the text for the review widget. So you can go on ahead and format that text as well. And then once you've done that, you can just go ahead and click on Save on the top right. And now if we exit and take a look at our Shopify store and take a look at our product, you guys will see we have a really amazing review widget that is now going to be displayed. I can click on Write a Review and insert any type of media file as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.